Veer Dhaval Khade. I'm an Olympian. I'm an Arjuna awardee. I'm also an Asian Games medalist. I won my Arjuna Award in 2011. I am also the former Tahsildar for the government of Maharashtra. I was working as a class 1 officer for the government of Maharashtra for over 12 years. I am a former student of Vivekanand College from Kolhapur, and the credit for my success I would like to give to Vivekanand College, because while I was a student of the college, that is when I was performing at the Asian Games. I was at my peak, and without their support, my performances would not have possible. I would really like to thank them for the support that they have shown me, and for always having my back when I was at the peak of my career. So Vivekanand College has always been very proactive, very supportive, and very, very helpful to sportsmen and athletes, and also artists from various fields. They are definitely one of the best colleges in India, I would say. Also among the best colleges in Maharashtra. And I can't think of any other college who has had so many high achievers in sports. And all the credit has to go to the faculty, to the facilities, and all the people with positive attitude towards sports.
नमस्कार, मी सानिका बाळास्तव गायकवाड, राहणारी अटपाडी, जिल्हा सांगली. मी जुडो हा खेळ खेळते. अटपाडीत शिकत असताना मला हे समजले की विवेकानंद कॉलेज कोल्हापूर येथे जुडोचं मार्गदर्शन खूप उत्तम प्रकारे भेटले जाते. म्हणून मी विवेकानंद कॉलेज कोल्हापूर येथे प्रवेश घेतला. तसेच कॉलेजमध्ये स्मृती भवन येथे मी प्रॅक्टिस करत होते. जिमखाना विभागाकडून मला डाएट प्लॅन, प्रॅक्टिस व जुडोची टेक्निक कुठे कशी वापरायची हे समजले. त्यामुळेच मी भरपूर अशा स्पर्धा खेळले, जसे ऑल इंडिया इंटर युनिव्हर्सिटी, नॅशनल्स, स्टेट, लीग, खेलो इंडिया, मिनी ऑलिम्पिक्स इत्यादी मॅचेस खेळले. तसेच विजयी झाले. जसे मी ग्रामीण भागाकडून येऊन एवढ्या मोठ्या मॅचेस खेळले, तसेच बाकीचेही विद्यार्थी मी विवेकानंद कॉलेजला यावे अशी माझी इच्छा आहे.
Hello, I am Anish Gandhi. I am an international level chess player and a chess coach. I have been playing chess professionally for last 15 years. I have my own online chess academy where I teach chess to students from across 5 different countries. During my college days, college was very extremely supportive. When I was in 11th grade, I represented Maharashtra at national level events and I won bronze medal for the Maharashtra team. 2 times we also qualified for All India level. I represented All India level and I was also the captain of the team. During my college days, college was extremely supportive for me to help me to combine academics as well as sports together. I did not have to compromise on either of the things. They were extremely supportive. So I am thankful for Vivekanand College for supporting me throughout my 5 years tenure. I am a proud student of Vivekanand College. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shloka Sripati Shinde, fencing athlete. I am currently pursuing the bachelor's degree in computer science from Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. Recently, I participated in All India Fencing Championship and also Khelo India University Games. I achieved bronze medal in Junior National Fencing Championship and also other national tournaments. Along with sports, I was also NCC cadet and did the national camp of rock climbing. These achievements were only possible because of the encouragement and the support the college showed upon me. I would really like to thank all the faculty members and teachers from the bottom of my heart, and I am very grateful to be the part of Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी कुमारी रिया नितीन पाटील. 4 ते 7 जून साऊथ कोरिया येथे झालेल्या अंडर 20 एशियन चॅम्पियनशिपमध्ये 4x400 मीटर रिलेमध्ये मला सुवर्ण पदक आहे. आतापर्यंत मला 17 राष्ट्रीय पदके आहेत. तसेच 3 वेळा खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स मेडलिस्ट आहे मी. ह्यावर्षी ऑल इंडिया युनिव्हर्सिटी गेम्समध्ये मला सुवर्ण पदक आहे व खेलो इंडिया युनिव्हर्सिटी गेम्समध्ये रौप्य पदक आहे. विवेकानंद कॉलेजमध्ये मी 11वी पासून शिकत आहे. आता BSc सेकंड इयर कम्प्युटर सायन्स डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये मी आहे. विवेकानंद कॉलेज ही एक अशी संस्था आहे की तुम्ही प्रत्येक फील्डमध्ये जरी गेलात तर तुमचे नाव होईल. माझी अशी इच्छा आहे की इथून पुढील वर्षात विवेकानंद कॉलेजमधील स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट खूप पुढे जावं. तसेच प्रत्येक खेळाडूने असा निश्चय करावा की विवेकानंद कॉलेजचं नाव आपण गाजवावं व मी देखील प्रयत्न करेन. मला अभिमान आहे की मी विवेकानंद कॉलेजची विद्यार्थिनी आहे. धन्यवाद.